Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with a super simple recipe, very easy to make and very delicious too. By now you all must have known that I do not post any recipes which I'm not 100% confident about or which I feel isn't that tasty to impress you all. I had this for the first time at a iftar party at my husband's aunt's place. I really love everything what she cooks, but then this was something very impressive because the recipe was so simple, but then I really didn't know what to name this, so I have named it as chicken cheesy sticks. I hope you all will love it. I'm sure you will. So I really want you to give a try on this simple and delicious recipe. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients what we need to marinate the chicken first. And here I have taken around 300 grams of chicken breast, which I've cut into very small bit-sized pieces. You can see that, I'm just showing it. Just make sure you wash and drain them well so that no trace of water is left. And here I have taken 1 egg, beaten it well. And then these are the seasoning. I have taken half teaspoon of pepper powder and salt as per your taste. And this is oregano, that's my touch, just 1/4 teaspoon, that's totally optional. And here this is ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon. And this is soya sauce, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. You can even take 1 tablespoon. And this is 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander leaves. Very finely chopped they are. And here in a bowl I have taken the chicken and adding the seasoning, that is oregano, pepper, salt, ginger garlic, soya sauce and tomato ketchup, and also adding the coriander leaves freshly chopped along with the egg. So all the ingredients are in the chicken now, and giving them a good mix. Make sure you mix it well, and then if you have time you can really marinate it for 1 to 2 hours, but then usually I'm in a hurry while making this. I usually just keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then it's good to fry. And here are the ingredients what we need to make the cheesy sticks. Here this is the marinated chicken what we have just marinated, and here is Almarai cream cheese. You can take of any brand, just make sure it's square cream cheese cubes. And here this is breadcrumbs, half cup I have taken. You can take according to your need. Some oil for deep frying, and again another important thing, that is toothpick, which plays the major role in this recipe. And here let me show you how I cut these cream cheese cubes. Here I cut them into half, and then again into 1 into 6 pieces. You can even make 1 into 9 pieces when your chicken is really very small. That's sufficient. And here once the cheese was ready, I had already made some, but then let me show you how we need to prick this. Taking a toothpick, and then first pieces will be the chicken, then the cheese, and then the chicken. So let me again show it to you. Here in case you see the pieces are big, just cut them into half there, or in case you see if it's very thin, you can just roll it and then prick it into the toothpick. I hope you can see it clear in the video. It's chicken, cheese, and then again chicken. In the marination, I guess you can even play with the seasoning. And here you can see all the chicken are pricked into the toothpick, and it was ready. Here comes the important part, as we are gonna fry this deep fry. So just make sure the breadcrumbs are very well coated. Otherwise you can see the cheese just ooze out when you deep fry them. So just press it well, cover it, coat it well with the breadcrumbs. Make sure each and every part of the chicken and the cheese is covered well. That's the only trick what you can really fry them safely. Sometimes it does happen that when you deep fry them, you can see 1 or 2 pieces, the cheese just comes out. That's really okay. But then if you cover it well, it really doesn't happen. And now comes the frying part. I've kept the oil on medium to low flame in a non-stick wok. And here I'm just, once the oil was hot on a medium temperature, I'm just dropping the toothpicks with the chicken one by one. Make sure you do not add too much of chicken so that it doesn't have enough space to get fried. And then here you can see it really doesn't take a long time. Within 5 minutes your chicken is cooked because they are that small sized pieces. And here in the fork I was just trying to separate them that it doesn't stick. It really doesn't stick, but then as it's cheese, there's always that risk factor. But here you can see all are fried perfectly, just 1 or 2 you can see the cheese was oozing out. And then here they were done in no time. And these are your chicken cheesy sticks ready. So let me show you how tender and moist it is from inside. Trust me, they are so juicy, and when you get that cheese in between, amazing it is. Here you can see that it's very moist and cheesy. And then I really want you guys to try this recipe and let me know in the comments below if you liked it or not. And as I said earlier, they are just perfect as a snack or a starter for any kind of parties or get-togethers. And during Ramadan for iftar, they are just amazing. So do give a try, guys, and do not forget to share it with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy this lovely recipe. And as I always say that your feedback and comments are always very valuable to me. So do take a time to drop a comment below. And coming to our extra points, just want to highlight that this is a very mild recipe. So in case you want it spicy, just add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste to the marination. And do follow me on Instagram at Salwa's Delicious Kitchen and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I will love to share it on my feed. And do hit a like on my Facebook page too. And I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.